2.5 foot of snow on the ground, and he was running terra grapplers. His brother went up at about 65 miles an hour in a Montero and jumped it. We need your driver's side tire on that block.
I need to wait till you get my house.
Driver's side tire, right?
He's coming back here to air every day. Remember that one that's got the slow motion desert run? Huh? Have you never saw that? He gets better. He's shot like a stupid baby, y'all. He can't do it. He's probably doing like 70 right now. It's one of the foreign guys, remember the air-to-air dude? Oh, yeah. Yeah, it's him. Or somebody else's guy.
Ed's got all the skids now, don't he?
Watch him.
Does he still just have the front?
Might just have the front. He said he's going to do his little
Yeah.
bottom ones himself. Rest of it.
Put some cameras up there. Stop the structure.
What's that front say?
Yeah.
Drive. Turn it. Drive past your time. Back up just a hair. We're talking about 3. Yeah, you're going to come back just a little bit. Right, a little bit more. All right, right there. Now. Let's see where we're at. Y'all watched that rhino come up here, didn't you? All right, cut driver side.
Yeah.
Once he hit that right there, he landed about right there. He took that thing full throttle.
The wheels kept coming up. He got slammed in the first one. And then fly up and stuff. All the way, it come right up this side, dude. It's a small wheelbase.
Right there, just like that. All right, you're going to have to think she's good. You need to go all the way driver. A little more driver. You're going to need to start cutting driver side when you start coming up this thing. So you need to cut just like you're cutting when you start coming on up. Come on up a little bit. You start cutting driver side when you come on. You should start straightening up. Cut driver now. Driver. Driver. Come on. There you go. That's it.
Yeah.
Good job. Good job. All right. Yeah. Keep going forward. Keep going. I'm watching you. Don't worry about tires. Good.
Keep coming forward.
All right, keep back up. Keep coming.
Keep coming.
That's my big nose, and if you roll, your toes.
There you go.
Yeah. How do you need to come up?
Cut passenger back up and square up.
Cut passenger? Yeah. Back up. Back straight up from here. Just like that. There you go. All right. Keep going. You're mine behind you. Don't worry about behind you. You got all the room in the world. And then keep going. And then start heading that direction over there.
And I'm going to be honest, this tree is really, really tight.
Hey, whenever you came up, you ran over that rock right there. You can get her by that.
No.
Yeah, because you had plenty of room over here.
Straighten them. Go forward just a little bit. Hey, Matt, when you're passing by, you pop a mirror.
All right, now start turning them driver's side. Or passenger side, yeah. Just keep going slow. I don't think she'd have to worry about the tree, though. Her bumper went very off.
You want to get right there, stop it. Oh, you jump?
Straighten up.
Straighten up. Driver's side, go straight. Just like that. That's good. All right, come passenger. There you go. You're good.
Watch the tree.
Watch the tree.
A little more passenger.